Breaking news coming in. Supreme Court has asked the centre and the farmer unions to suggest the names of former CGIs who can head the export committee. Lawyers for farm unions to get instructions from the unions on whether they will appear before the committee or not. The Supreme Court is likely to issue an order tomorrow, so all eyes on the order which the Supreme Court perhaps might pass tomorrow in this regard. Maushami Singh is now joining us. Maushami, while the SC has asked the centre and the farmer unions to suggest names of the former CJIs who can be a part of this particular committee, the lawyer for the farm unions are going to get the instruction from the union whether or not to appear before the committee or not. So that part is, if you're looking at a plausible resolution, that part is still somewhere in the grey, because unless and until a green signal comes from the farmer union side, having a committee really, perhaps may not solve things.
Yes, absolutely. And on that count, the lawyers have argued that there are 400 associations. So he could not at one point reply, give a yes or no on behalf of the 400 associations, and he will have to get back tomorrow. So a hearing again tomorrow, SC to pass orders, and also partial orders could be passed by tonight. That is what is coming right now from the Supreme Court. Very important that the Solicitor General did argue that kindly remove the impression that there was not better handling, pointing out to the way the farmers' unions actually participated in the meetings, saying that they had come in the meetings with the hands on their lips and hands on their ears, and they turned their backs on the ministers who were present. So kindly remove the impression that the government could handle this situation better. The CGR response is that we've given you a lot of time, we have given you a long rope, and you did not much in that time. We wanted to point out that it does not appear that whatever measures you took were effective enough. That's what the Supreme Court has to say. The government on its part arguing that this impression should not go out, that it is a win situation for the farmers when the matter is still going on in the court and a committee is to be formed as far as the matter is concerned. So clearly tomorrow is the day when the next hearing would happen. The farmers unions have to get back whether they will participate in the meeting. The SG argued that it should be a constructive dialogue in the meeting, and they should not only insist on repealing. Point by point, they need to highlight what are their objections and reservations as far as this law is concerned, because they've only been adamant about the repeal of law. So clearly, also the government has argued categorically, very importantly, that already the law is in place in many states. Many contracts have been signed in process in many states. Contracts have been signed, so the law cannot be held back, is what the government has argued. But the court has said we'll hear the matter tomorrow, clearly outlining that the court is willing and also has resolved to intervene in this matter to diffuse the situation. The government is also concerned about the situation developing before the 26th of January. The government side are appealing that there should be no protest before the 26th of January, but the court has said nothing much on that, saying that we'll hear it tomorrow.
All right, so all eyes are on tomorrow. We'll wait for the Supreme Court to pass that order. That is going to be likely tomorrow. Thanks, Maushami. She's getting us all the live updates from the Supreme Court at the moment.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.